Welcome to Alagoas, a hidden gem nestled on the northeastern coast of Brazil. Here, the Atlantic Ocean meets a tapestry of vibrant green, where golden beaches stretch for miles and tranquil lagoons shimmer under the sun. Join us now as we venture into this tropical paradise, exploring the diverse and breathtaking natural wonders that Alagoas has to offer. Alagoas is a sanctuary for beach lovers, boasting some of the most idyllic stretches of coastline in all of Brazil. This northeastern state is a hidden gem, offering a diverse array of beaches that cater to every kind of traveler. From the bustling, lively shores filled with beachgoers and vendors to the secluded, tranquil spots where you can find peace and solitude, Alagoas has it all. The coastline here is a tapestry of natural beauty, with each beach offering its own unique charm and character. The sand, a brilliant white tinged with gold, stretches out like a welcoming embrace. Walking along these shores, you can feel the fine grains beneath your feet, a sensation that is both grounding and exhilarating. The beaches of Alagoas are not just places to visit, they are experiences to be savored. Each step you take on this golden-tinged sand connects you to the natural world in a profound way. The waters, a kaleidoscope of turquoise, emerald, and deep sapphire, beckon with their warmth and clarity. These vibrant hues are a feast for the eyes, creating a mesmerizing contrast with the golden sands. Whether you are swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating on the surface, the crystal-clear waters of Alagoas offer a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The ocean here is not just a body of water, it is a living, breathing entity that invites you to explore its depths. Here, the rhythm of life moves to the soothing soundtrack of the ocean. The gentle lapping of waves against the shore creates a melody that is both calming and invigorating. This natural symphony is the perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection. As you listen to the waves, you can feel your stress melting away, replaced by a sense of peace and tranquility. The beaches of Alagoas are a sanctuary for the soul, offering a respite from the chaos of modern life. Waves whisper secrets to the shore, while palm trees sway in the gentle sea breeze. These iconic trees add to the tropical allure of Alagoas, their fronds rustling softly in the wind. The sight of palm trees silhouetted against the sky is a quintessential image of paradise. As you relax under their shade, you can feel the cool breeze on your skin, a reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds you. The palm trees of Alagoas are not just part of the landscape, they are symbols of the region's serene and laid-back lifestyle. Whether you seek solitude or vibrant energy, Alagoas has a beach to capture your heart. For those who crave solitude, there are hidden coves and quiet stretches of sand where you can find your own private paradise. If you prefer a more lively atmosphere, there are bustling beaches with plenty of activities and social opportunities. And as the day comes to an end, the beaches of Alagoas offer some of the most breathtaking sunsets you will ever see. The sky transforms into a canvas of brilliant colors, a fitting end to a day spent in this coastal paradise. No matter what kind of beach experience you are looking for, Alagoas has something to offer everyone. Tucked away from the well-trodden path, we discover São Miguel dos Milagres, a sanctuary of tranquility. Time seems to slow down in this secluded paradise. The pace of life is unhurried, dictated by the rhythm of the tides. Fishermen cast their nets in the shallows, their silhouettes painted against the rising sun. The beaches, pristine and untouched, stretch out like ribbons of shimmering gold. Here, you can truly disconnect from the world and reconnect with the simple pleasures of life. A surge of energy greets us as we arrive at Praia do Francis, a haven for those who seek adventure. Here the wind and waves conspire to create the perfect playground for water sports enthusiasts. Surfers carve graceful arcs across the waves, their boards slicing through the water with effortless precision. Kite surfers dance across the surface, their colorful kites billowing against the azure sky. The air crackles with excitement and the spirit of adventure. Yet, even amidst the exhilaration, Praia do Francis retains a sense of unspoiled beauty. Let the gentle rhythm of Ipioca wash over you. This idyllic beach offers a sanctuary from the crowds, a place to unwind and reconnect with nature's tranquility. The pace of life here is refreshingly slow. The warm, crystal-clear waters invite you to swim, to float, to simply be present in the moment. The sun, a benevolent presence, casts a golden glow on the scene. Families stroll along the shoreline, their laughter carried by the gentle breeze. The very essence of Alagoas is reflected in its lagoons, shimmering bodies of water that dot the landscape like scattered jewels. Alagoas itself translates to lagoons in Portuguese, a testament to their profound significance. These serene lagoons, some vast and others intimately small, are teeming with life. Fish dart through the reeds, while birds of vibrant plumage call from the treetops. Each lagoon possesses a unique character, a story whispered by the wind and the water. In the heart of Maceió, the capital city, lies Lagoa do Mundão, a sprawling lagoon that captivates the senses. Its waters, a canvas of ever-changing blues and greens, reflect the sky and the surrounding landscape. Fishermen in brightly painted boats cast their nets, their movements a timeless ballet. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, the gentle lapping of water against the boats, the calls of unseen birds, the rustle of leaves in the breeze. Venture to the north and you will discover Lagoa do Parapuera, a sanctuary for both nature and those who seek to experience its wonders responsibly. Here the focus is on preserving the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Kayak through the tranquil waters, the silence broken only by the gentle splash of your paddle. Observe the rich bird life, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the lush green backdrop. Lagoa do Parapuera reminds us of the importance of protecting these precious natural treasures. Alagoas is a guardian of biodiversity, a responsibility it takes seriously. Japaratinga, a coastal paradise, stands as a testament to this commitment. Here, the magnificent Costa dos Corais, a marine park of immense ecological importance, stretches out beneath the waves. This underwater wonderland teems with life. Coral reefs, vibrant and teeming with fish, provide shelter for a dazzling array of marine creatures. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, glide through the crystal-clear waters. The mighty Rio São Francisco, often referred to as the River of National Integration, flows through the heart of Alagoas, carving its path through the landscape with a grace that has inspired countless generations. This river is not just a body of water, it is a lifeline, connecting diverse ecosystems and communities. Along its banks, you'll find a tapestry of life, from bustling local communities to serene natural habitats. Embark on a journey along its waters, and witness the ever-changing landscapes. As you glide along the river, you'll see how the scenery transforms, offering new vistas at every bend. Towering rock formations give way to lush forests, their branches reaching out to touch the water's edge. These natural wonders stand as silent guardians of the river, each with its own story to tell. The river teems with life, from the caiman lurking beneath the surface, waiting patiently for its next meal, to the brightly colored birds that call from the treetops, their songs filling the air with a melody that has echoed through the ages. The Rio São Francisco is a lifeline for the region, providing not just water, but a way of life. Local fishermen cast their nets, relying on the river's bounty to sustain their families. The river is a source of sustenance and inspiration. It nourishes the land and the people, offering a sense of continuity and connection to the past. The Rio São Francisco is more than just a river. It is the heartbeat of a region, a symbol of resilience and unity. Alagoas pulsates with life. This region, nestled in the northeastern part of Brazil, is a sanctuary of biodiversity and natural beauty. Its landscapes are a vivid mosaic, each piece contributing to the overall splendor of this unique ecosystem. From the lush rainforests to the coastal dunes, a rich tapestry of flora and fauna unfolds. The rainforests are teeming with diverse plant life, each species playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. The coastal dunes with their unique vegetation act as a natural barrier, protecting the inland areas from the relentless forces of the ocean. Look closely, and you will discover a world of hidden wonders. Exotic plants with vibrant colors and intricate patterns captivate the eye, while the forest floor is alive with the subtle movements of hidden wildlife. Each step taken in this verdant paradise reveals new secrets, waiting to be uncovered by those who venture into its depths. The mangrove cuckoo, its plumage a perfect camouflage, calls from the depths of the mangrove forests. These birds are masters of disguise, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Their calls echo through the dense foliage, a reminder of the intricate web of life that thrives in these hidden corners of the world. Green sea turtles, ancient mariners, return to these shores to lay their eggs. These majestic creatures have been navigating the oceans for millions of years, guided by instincts passed down through countless generations. Their journey is a testament to the enduring power of nature, a cycle of life that continues despite the many challenges they face. Their journey a testament to the enduring power of nature. After laying their eggs, the turtles make their way back to the ocean, leaving the next generation to fend for themselves. This cycle of life and survival is a poignant reminder of the resilience and tenacity of these ancient mariners. Alagoas is a reminder that we share this planet with a breathtaking array of creatures. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each species plays a vital role in the delicate balance of life. The diverse wildlife of Alagoas is a testament to the richness of our natural world and the importance of preserving these habitats for future generations. Each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of life. The interactions between species, the symbiotic relationships, and the intricate food webs all contribute to the health and stability of the ecosystem. By understanding and appreciating this delicate balance, we can better protect and conserve the natural world that sustains us all. Alagoas, with its captivating blend of coastal beauty and inland wonders, is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Whether you seek the thrill of adventure, the tranquility of untouched beaches, or the opportunity to witness nature's wonders up close, Alagoas has something to offer every traveler. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Alagoas for yourself. Thank you for joining us.